Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to charge a Mini Cooper key battery. First, gather your tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. It's important to have a clean, well-lit area to work in, ensuring you can clearly see the small components. Familiarize yourself with your specific Mini Cooper key fob design before you begin, as slight variations can exist. This preparation makes the process smooth and prevents any accidental damage. Now let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side or bottom edge of the casing. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. Apply gentle, steady pressure to pry the two halves of the key fob apart. You should hear a slight click as the clips release. Avoid using excessive force to prevent damaging the plastic housing or internal components. Take your time with this step. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, pay close attention to its orientation, noting which side is facing up. This ensures you install the new one correctly. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, making sure the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards. This is crucial for proper function. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until you hear a distinct click, confirming they are securely sealed. Once reassembled, test all the key fob's functions, such as locking, unlocking, and trunk release, to ensure everything is working correctly. If you're looking for other great deals, check the description below for a link to darn tough socks and more. Enjoy your fully functional Mini Cooper key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.